Hi friends, welcome to Sura Agriculture Land Promoter Developers. Now we are going to see about 4.80, 4 acre 80 cent of red soil agriculture land which is situated very close to the village, and the land having fantastic tar road access, and also the land is having a clear document, okay, and is a local farmer land, fantastic water source, okay. Here 150 to 200 feet you can get sweet water with high pressure, okay, and the electricity pole is very close to the land, on the land, passing on the land only. The land having the tar road access, like three side we have tar road access for the land, okay. Now we are going to see the land, okay. So this is a start point of the land. This is a village, actually. The village is very close. The border of the village we have land, okay. You can see the big lake is there. The right side is a big lake, okay. So the big lake is around nearly 1 kilometer length of this lake, okay. This lake is very close to our land. The soil is pure red soil only, okay. So suitable for all type of cultivation. The soil has no boulders, no limestone, pure red soil, 100% suitable for agriculture purpose only, okay. And the water is sweet water, low depth, okay. If you want to get cheaper land, you have to come in deep root of villages, okay. We are finding very hardly the cheap lands, okay, by traveling in deep root of villages. This location is around 55 kilometer from Madurai International Airport, okay. Less than 1 hour traveling, maximum 1 hour traveling from Madurai International Airport, okay. So you can see the lake, okay, this complete lake, okay. This lake will you can see the electricity pole also, okay. See the lake is will end up over there, okay. So up to the land, okay. This is also the part of the lake, okay. And so you can see the road, so tar road access, you can see fantastic tar road access. You can see the electricity pole is passing on the land only. You can see this is the land. This is our land, 4.80 acre, 4.8 acre land, okay. This is the complete land. This road, you can see the road. So we are coming on this star road. So if you take the right turn, okay, the right turn, you can see the road. This road will lead to many villages. You can see the village, the backside one village is there. After that the lake, you see this is a lake, is a part of lake, and some cultivation is going on opposite side, and then left side also some cultivation is going on. You can see the road, fantastic tar road access. You can see all around the area, all around the land. You can see this is our land, okay. So the road, you can see the connectivity of road. You can see three side, the land surrounded by road, three sides, not only one side, two side, three sides we have land is around the road, around the land we have the fantastic tar road access. You can see so this is our land. We can get cheap labor. We can get cheap labor here. Can see this is our land. So how many roads? 1, 2, 3. So three side we have road. This is our land. You can see pure red soil, 100% pure red soil only. So you can see one more lake. Actually this is the opposite of the land, okay. So before we saw one lake, okay, that is very close to the land, and one more lake. This is one more lake, okay. This lake also very close to the just opposite of the land, okay. So now we are going again to the land, okay. So from here just we took U-turn now, and we are going again to see the land, okay. We'll go inside the land and see the soil, and we'll take some close-up shots, okay. So so fantastic water source, road access, nearby villages, clear document, family owners, okay. 4 owners will come this land, okay. All family members only, all 4 members are family only. Total 4.8 acre only. But the thing is, actually, if we want to grab more lands in future, like after grabbing this 4.80 land, okay, you can get more lands. You can get more lands, like up to 10 to 15 acre. You can get backside lands, okay. So we are assuring that, okay, because we capture the road access, then you can easily move inside, okay. So where we start the point, this was our start point. Okay, now we are going to park the car here, and we will go some walk through inside the land. Okay, friends, actually this land is a red soil land, pure red soil land. Okay, the area of land is 4.804 acre 80 cent, nearly 5 acre. Okay, family owners. Okay, like 4 owners will come, so there's no issue with the documents. Okay, you can see the electricity pole is very near. This is closing on the sea, passing on the land only. The electricity pole is very close to the land, and the soil is pure red soil. Okay, the soil is fantastic soil. Okay, the soil is pure red soil, fantastic soil. Okay, so the soil has no boulders, no limestone inside, suitable for all type of cultivation work. And the water is fantastic water source, nearly 200 feet, maximum 200 feet in summer season. But in winter rainy season, 150 feet you can get water. Okay, and we are assisting you to provide all kind of support after sale deed. Okay, so the land is a plain land, and but the thing is actually they're suitable for all kind of crops. Okay, we are assisting you to get free electricity pole, and also we are assisting you to get to electricity is a solar panel, solar for your land, solar system for your land, and also we assist you to do fencing work, borewell, and farmhouse, etc. Okay, so please don't hesitate to send me a WhatsApp message, WhatsApp text message to my WhatsApp number 8489761364. Okay, thank you very much.